Hey guys, it's eerily quiet in here and I'm not used to it right now. I'm like actually not even yelling anymore. I actually don't even have to yell because it's extremely quiet in here and I am not used to it at all. I actually feel like I don't like silence anymore. I need to have the blaring fans of the ASICs and my Delta fans going, and this is just ridiculous. Guys, the power has gone out, and I noticed when I got an alert from one on my phone. I looked at Hive OS, and Hive OS, it was down, and everything went down. All of my GPUs, my Radeon 7s, my 1080 Ti rig, everything, P104, single Radeon 7, RX 480 rig, and my 1060 3GB rig is down because of the power. And right now, it was pretty windy. Actually, it was windy before, not so much anymore, but it was extremely windy, and actually the whole neighborhood is out in terms of power. So yeah, I'm just I decided to record this video just to show you guys, just to do a vlog of, you know, man, crypto mining isn't all glitz and glamour. I mean, some people have power outages, some people have their internet go down, or power lines go down, God forbid. But in my case, it was the wind. When I drove up here, I didn't see any power lines down. Transformer or something somewhere, maybe a branch, who knows. I didn't call hydro. I'm just gonna wait and then I can turn on all of my mining rigs. Anyways, guys, have you ever experienced this before where your power is out? You're just sitting by your crypto mining rigs and you're just like, this is it. This is the end. This is what it feels like. You have no power. You have no internet. You're just looking at your rigs, and look at my temperature right now. It's just amazing. 75 Fahrenheit or 24 Celsius in here right now. It looks like it's gonna get colder because outside it's about like I think 50 or something. So yeah, this happened actually like a few hours ago. The power went down and I was able to come here and just do a vlog. So yeah, I actually already unplugged the power cables going to my triplet PDUs. So you guys know I do have two 30 amp triplet PDUs, but I'm only going up to the 80% rule as of this moment. Not right now, but was before. But you can see my two 30 amp breakers here. They're just going straight into the 100 amp circuit of the house. So I unplugged the triplet PDUs, the power plugs that go into the breakers here, because I don't want anything to surge once everything comes back on. So I'm just protecting my equipment. When the power comes back on, I will unplug all of the power cables in the PDUs, and then I will plug in the PDU. Once the power is back on, then I will, you know, plug in all of these C13 to C14 cables that are in my PDUs right now. Man, this is really sad that I have no power right now, and I'm doing a service for everybody right now. For people that are mining Ethereum. Maybe I just knocked off, let's see, maybe 0.000001% of the network right now. Just kidding. I'm such a small-time home miner. This is nothing compared to other people out there that have like thousands upon thousands of GPUs. I only have like a good, I don't know, 30 or 40, 50 GPUs in this location. And yeah, anyways guys, I am gonna wait for the power to come on, and I wanted to show you guys something. I actually ordered some splitters. So I just got a huge order from China. I actually ordered this off Alibaba. These are the 8-pin, this is like the female side, that goes into two male sided 8 pins here that you guys can see, okay? And these are really, really nice quality. I can tell by, you know, they have like the shrink wrap here and it's like kind of glued here. And these are like nice and thick gauged PCIe cables, like splitters. I can't wait to try these out. I have, I think, like 200 of these here. So I may do some giveaways with these as well. And I actually have a whole bunch of older PCIe splitters as well. So as I give away some of these risers, actually, you know what? Let's just do a giveaway of risers in this video and some splitters as well. So I will do a 12 pack, another 12 pack of risers. We did one in the last couple of videos, I think last week. or 2 weeks ago. And the winner of that one was Scart. So Scart, if you're watching this, congratulations, my friend. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pick out like 6 of these 006Cs and maybe 6 of the AAA wave ones or 6 of the U-bit ones, okay? So yeah, I'll decide that, and I have a whole bunch of other splitters that I will give to you guys. It's in my crypto mining studio there. I don't know if I want to give out these ones yet because I don't know how well they work, but from what I've been seeing online, the single 8-pin to dual 8-pin splitters are supposed to be really good, more safer. So yeah, I will do that, guys. Comment down below if you are in USA or Canada, and I will choose the winner after 24 hours of releasing this video. Okay, so yeah, I will do that. And I will reply to your comment, which then you'll have to email me after. So keep watch of the comment. I will heart it and I will reply that you won and show a screenshot because I'm going to do comment picker on this video for the risers and some other stuff. I'm just going to plop it in here because like I said, you guys may have saw that video. I want to get rid of everything on this floor. Okay, I said I was giving it all away eventually and I'm going to do it slowly. So yeah, let me know, my friends. Okay guys, I am wanting to end off this video with another thing that I ordered online, and this is a little like 7-inch, like it's meant for a Raspberry Pi little LCD or LED screen. I think it's LCD, but you guys can see I bought this because Bitsby Trippin made a video recently. You guys probably saw his videos. He has a huge crypto mining farm. I'll link it down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about, but you guys probably saw that video and he was using one of these. I think it's not this exact model, but very similar, and yeah, he had it plugged into his mining rigs. So the one I have here, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's no power right now. I can't see anything really. I don't know if you guys can see this, but just using my phone for the light. But yeah, it has an HDMI and a USB power to plug into a mining rig. So this is something I'm excited to try out. I'll have the link in the description so you guys know which model I bought. But I bought a longer HDMI to DVI cable and as well as another USB cable that's longer because the ones that come with it are pretty short, you guys can see. So in case I wanted to put the monitor, I don't know, farther away, and as well as why I bought the DVI one is because some motherboards that I have, like the ASRock H110 Pro has a DVI port on board, okay? So not all my motherboards that I'm using have HDMI. Most of them are actually DVI. So I mainly have a lot of the ASRock BTC Plus Pro motherboards with the 12 PCIe slots, but I do have some motherboards that are HDMI, so I could utilize the small HDMI port, but that's why I got the DVI to HDMI cable. I'm not even sure if that's gonna work or not, but we'll see. I'll test it out later once I have power, of course. So guys, that's it. I'm gonna end the video here. I thought I'd make a video of me having no power, and it's kind of sad to see all my mining rigs down. And but anyways, guys, let me know what you think of what happened here. And yeah, I guess I hope the power comes back on because I'm losing money right now, guys. I'm losing money, and you guys are reaping the rewards because you have power right now. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a comment down below as well for the risers so that you may win. Like I said, you have to be in USA, Canada. I wish I could ship to Europe or any other country around the world, but guys, it's just extremely, extremely expensive. I got a quote to ship to the UK from Canada and it costed like $90. So definitely, it's probably cheaper to buy risers from AliExpress or Alibaba if you're in Europe, or mineshop.eu even. And stay tuned, actually, I have a package here from mineshop.eu. It's this huge box here. I believe this is a server case of some kind, so stay tuned for that. I will have an unboxing video for that as well as some other stuff as well. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.